In this demo, we're going to do an automatic smart collection for recently restocked items. And here is how she works. All right, 2 workflows. First one, we got to populate this last. So what we're doing is we're gonna be clicking around a little bit. Okay, settle in, strap on your seatbelts. We're gonna be doing some clicking. So we're doing some meta fields in order to track this. And we have last of it. So the way we're doing this is we're going to store last available inventory, the number. So if you ran it right now, right, it's 20 is the available inventory. And then we're going to listen on inventory level updated, right? Inventory levels updated. We're going to compare against. So we need to have this number to compare against. So we're going to compare against this. And if the number of inventory is higher, that's how we know we restocked. All right. Now we're going to save the date and then that we restock. We have to also use this Boolean recently restocked. We can't just use this because smart collections cannot key off of a date. I found out today. I was very disappointed. So that's the basic idea. And diving into these workflows, this first one, we're just defaulting these values. Trigger and product creator, you can time travel this across all your productos. And then we're going to this mapping. I think we're just setting up a variable product ID, custom code that is going to sum all the inventory levels for all the variants across the product. So we went to the trouble of figuring out that GraphQL for you. And then we're doing that stuff. And then we go ahead and populate that meta field. And then here's the heavy lifting, inventory level updated. We're going to, again, I'm just tracking that item ID so I can make it easier to pass into the code. Get product ID. What is this doing? Get product ID from inventory. Oh yeah. So it's non-trivial to just get the product ID from the inventory item ID. So that's what that does. And then we're going to retrieve the last inventory available number, and we're going to then sum the current levels of using that same custom code, sum the current levels, and then here's the check where we're going to check that the current inventory levels are greater than that meta field value. And if they are, we're going to set the last restocked at to the current time. We're going to set the last inventory available now to the new value for that. And then we're going to then also set this recently restocked Boolean to true. And then here's that collection where you can do a smart collection on recently restocked equals true. And that's about it. Here's the glorious result of all of this. My not very interesting looking blank recently restocked collection page for you. So I hope that helps. If you need any help getting these workflows set up, we would love to help you. Our support team is amazing. I don't know why I did this to say amazing, but I was going to say 5 stars. Then I did 2 5 stars at the same time. All right, we're out. We're going to end this thing.